doing? Man, today my birthday, man. Here's what I'm doing. I'm out here with the cars, man. Out here with the cars, man. Trying to get the cars right, man. I've been trying to get my prints right, man. Prints kind of tough, man. Kind of tough to work with, man. But we coming along, though. We coming along. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see what I got, man. I get back. I bet.
Me, I want what's coming.
J Bird wash cars, man. When he said he want car wash, that's what he was talking about. Look at him. J Bird, crank them up. Got him. That's what J Bird do right here. Yeah.
All right, man. Whatever you want to get it done. I'll call you again so we can. All right, man. Appreciate you, bro.
Another happy customer, huh?
Another satisfied customer.
Okay.
Like I said, if y'all need y'all car wash, man, get the time, man.
Let me get the sign for him, bro. Let me get the sign for him, because they think you count, bro. Bro, they think you count, bro. Another satisfied customer. Oh, don't knock. Hey. You gotta knock your stuff over. Bro, knock all this stuff over.
You good.
Bro, knock all this stuff over, bro. Bro, knock everything over. J Bird out. Took Birdman out, yo. You gotta clean though, bro. You gotta clean. Promote the business one more time for him, bro.
I said, if you need your car wash, man, the only thing you gotta do is come to 2115 North Main Street. Send me the sign right now.
Oh, okay. 2115 North Main Street. Yeah, here you can catch them all day.
You see that red Vic out here? I'm not here.
He outside. You see that red Vic?
I'm outside.
He outside. Bro, so you see that red Vic, man? You can catch him. He here all day. He out here.
That was a little bad. Hold on, I'm about to find out. What, Mustang?
Yeah.
You know my cars, man.
You know a Ford, bro.
All about cars. I just like Ford.
Fell down. That's all leak, you can see it. It's bad, ain't it?
I forgot what they said on water, this and spark plug. I forgot what that shit.
Now, y'all get in the comments, man, and tell us what that means when water and oil mixing spark plug. Get in the comments, man. Let us know what that means.
Spark plug ain't that bad. Take that back. I'll take it back. It is.
That's a new one right now. get all the other ones out? Oh, that's your last one? Yeah, bro, fast.
So when I took him out, I just changed my old gun.
Oh, okay.
Instead of just going back. What the hell? That's something.
Your phone ringing, bro. So what, the engine light just supposed to go on?
Sometimes it'll stay on. Sometimes it'll got the cut off and then it'll come right back on.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes.
Yes, sir. Y'all see what's going on. This new to the family right here. New to the family. What's this? 2011, ain't it, bro? 2011. New to the family. Oh yeah, this is a real police edition right here. Oh yeah. Still got the nimbles and stuff on this one right here. Y'all see what's going on? Look at bro. Ooh. Got that flats in there. Ooh. Look up. Big nimbles on the top. Oh yeah. I'm going to play the number 644. I'm going to play that. Let's see what the inside look like. Oh yeah. Look at bro. He ain't got nothing. All he got to do is clean up in here. Oh yeah. All you gotta do is clean up. There was seats in the back. Sealing top up. Just sealing up. He good in here. Woo! Real good. Let's see, he got 2 pipes down there. Let's see, he got 2 on. Oh yeah. He got 1 right there. Let's see, oh yeah, he got 2 pipes on him. He got 2 on him. Let's let y'all see the dash. Let y'all see the dash. This right here. Ooh, look at him. Look at him. Bro, tough, boy. Look at moving seats on him. Okay, power seats. 106,000 miles on him. Ooh, look at bro ready, y'all. I'm telling you, this is the one right here. That's on right here, ready. That's a big dog right here. Ready. How long you had it, bro?
Since yesterday.
Since yesterday. What's the fast you been?
I ain't got it.
You ain't got any yet. What's the hell you got any yet? What, on the car? Okay. Well, you done or it came like that? Came like that, okay. We don't got another one, yo. Got another one. Got another one. Where you get this one from? Kingston, okay. He want 5 for it.
They had a cage, they still had everything in.
Word. What was that? Yeah. There he go. He go. Woo! Woo! Look, bro. Oh, came out with that perk on me, yo. Look at him. Came out with that perk. Woo! Got the flakes in him. Oh, yeah. Got flakes in him, man. Look at them flakes. Woo! What's up, brother? Yeah. Bro, cutting up on him. Look at him. Pro grill on. Oh, yeah. Got him. Bro, cutting up, yo. Got them pipes on him. Little pipe. Bro, cutting up.